Thank you so much for that, Ekta. And I have a guest as well. Mr. Maninder Singh is CEO and founder at CEF Group. Mr. Singh, thank you so much for joining in. When I was looking at numbers, it does tell us that the government is pushing for more organic exports. There was a statement from Minister Piyush Goyal to that effect as well. So from 5,000 to 6,000 crores right now, the target is 20,000 crores for the next 3 years now. How achievable, feasible do you think those numbers are?
So these numbers are quite achievable. In fact, to the country that we are in and kind of agriculture we have, it's a very small number. So basically, this number is small because we are just targeting good quality produce for export market. But one big question is that why are we not targeting good quality produce for our domestic market? So if we target the good quality food for our domestic market and then also think of export market together, this number can really be much more bigger.
Mr. Nair, what would you say is the overall organic farming number for India right now, and what is the kind of growth that we've seen on a year-on-year basis?
So when we say the word organic, there are two things to it. One, that whether it is certified organic, defined through a certificate, or whether the quality is actually organic, which is high on nutrient and less on quantification. So if you talk about India exporting food to the world, the current scenario is that we are just talking of organic as certification. And trust me, if we convert this from certification basis to actual quality basis, then the kind of market that is available globally is almost 50 times than what India is looking at right now. So there is a big push required for natural farming, which can lead to organic produce and amplify this market as a whole.
Mr. Nair, talk to us also about the feasibility part of it. Would you say that there is enough available in sense of cost-efficient inputs for India to dwell into this?
Yeah, so you see, when in 2014, when Prime Minister Modi came into power, the kind of subsidies we were giving to chemicals that were used in agriculture was to a tune of 40 to 50,000 crores a year. Today, if we talk about the same quantity of chemical fertilizers used and subsidies being given to it is almost 2.5 lakh crore per annum. Now, organic or natural farming in a way is a must to be done by the government right now to reduce our financial burden on one side and also to increase the health and quality of our produce and exports thereon on the other side. This is very much possible provided we work more on the consumer side, which wants to pay good amount of money for good quality of food. One big gap that we see in this entire market is that we are focusing on saying that we should use bioagri inputs and we should produce naturally grown food, organic food. But at the other end, we are not really doing anything to bring the consumers in line with this thought process. So a lot of spend from the government also has to go on consumers who can get access to good quality produce parallelly.
Mr. Nair, also, what is your sense on the National Mission for Natural Farming, where we do understand of 1 crore farmers and nearly 7.5 lakh hectares is what the government is looking at? What is the on-ground progress when you see that?
So this is also divided in our country in a way that you will see few states like Uttarakhand, Sikkim, of course, even Jammu Kashmir for now, and a lot of other parts of Madhya Pradesh, Andhra, Tamil Nadu. They have really done significant progress when it comes to organic or natural farming. We need to create and also amplify existing successful models for other states to fall in line and to make sure that this progress happens across the country and not in few states. So a lot of synchronization in the central government pertaining to policy matters being implemented at the ground level needs to be done, which can really up the scale of natural and organic farming in the country.
Just to get a sense of the numbers really, Mr. Nair, what would you say is the overall market right now and then the organic as a small part of it?
So overall market, if you say is 100, organic is currently at less than 3%. And we really need to shift our gears on all sides to bring this to at least 25 to 30% in next 1 decade or so.
All right, so just 3% of organic food is what we are eating, Ekta. So really a small number there. And Mr. Nair, thank you so much for joining us, telling us that a lot perhaps needs to be done in that line.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks, Manisha, for that. On that note, we need to wrap up on Halftime Report. Business Lunch up next.